Welcome to thebeerheads.com. My name is Jay Specialist. In today's episode, we're going to be reviewing a beer from San Jose, California, out of my hometown. That's right, we're keeping it local. We're going to be visiting the Hermitage Brewing Company. This is their latest release from their single hop series of IPAs. Their one and only, coming in at 7% ABV, Calypso. Let's get this into a glass, and I'll let you know what I think of this one. Right off the back on this one, you pick up nice, just tea-like characters, almost tea leaves in this. Definitely picking up a nice pear-like core, some apple skins, a little bit of a pine needle hop character, sweet malt backbone in this one. Definitely a little hoppy presence this one and this one as well, but it's more earthy-like characters in the hops. Smelling really, really good. It's like a tea-like character. Wow, this thing is freaking fantastic for what it is. Single hop, Calypso all the way, big tea-like characters. I'm feeling like I'm sucking on tea leaves right now while I'm drinking this. There's some pear core in here, definitely some like pear-like skins, that ripeness of pear. Definitely picking up some apple-like skins, more of a yellow apple. Subtle sweet character in here, that caramel malt like qualities in here, definitely getting a little sweet malty backbone, as well as some pine needle, not overly bitter, definitely get a little bit of bitterness on the palate, a little aftertaste of pine needle, tea leaf qualities, that earthy touch to it. This is a fantastic dual hop from the Calypso hop, how it is a dual purpose hop. It's fantastic. Glad to see Hermitage using this one. This is fantastic right here, you guys. Calypso single hop series for the IPA from Hermitage Brewing Company. Fantastic, you guys. This is a nice dual purpose hop. Gives expressions of tea-like qualities in this one. Some tea leaves, a little bit of a perry apple-like quality. Picking up yellow apples. This is a fantastic take, you guys, on what it is. One hop throughout the boil, just showing you what the hop's about. It's not one of those IPAs where you're going to expect whole complexity from, you know, different types of hops, you know. And you're going to look at this one and you're going to get to learn about the Calypso hop and what it is. And that's the fantastic thing about Hermitage's single hop series, and something I really enjoy from them, you guys. I definitely say check this one out. It's a nice, easy drinking IPA and nice learning qualities of what the Calypso hop is all about. Till the next time, you guys, like I always say, live, learn, and drink. I'm going to enjoy my beer. You guys should do the same.